The main brief that we had for the building is to bring it back to life.
The local community will benefit massively from this project.
We've completely reimagined the space to create a digitally enabled, sustainable, flexible and modern workspace. Hi Owen, good morning.
Very nice to see you this morning.
Welcome to Halifax.
Thanks so much, it's my first time.
So at the moment in Collinsons building here, there's over 3,500 staff who are ready to move into the Trinity building. Good morning.
Good morning.
I'll introduce you to our CEO, Owen O'Leary.
Yeah, lovely to meet you. Chris Reed.
Very nice to meet you.
The Lloyds Trinity Road project is an exciting, iconic project for the town, and the community have a very strong fondness of the building.
Lived in Halifax all my life. I did my work experience in Trinity Road. It's the main employer in the local area. To be able to work on the project, work with Waits, deliver a future building for the town that's going to employ people for the next 50, 60 years. It's a really fantastic project to be part of.
Good morning, Hannah.
I'm born and bred from West Yorkshire. I've grown up around the area my whole life. This is obviously quite a unique development within itself, but it really fits our purpose as it's a refurb of a listed building, so it's now taking it up a step, advancing the inside of the building, creating a workplace where people can really thrive.
This building is a Grade 2 listed building. It was vitally important to make sure that the important heritage aspects of the building were respected and retained within the building, and indeed celebrated.
So this is a listed element of the building. These are the cooling towers. So this is the old design of the building that at one point was state-of-the-art, hugely inefficient by today's standards. They're not going to be in use anymore going forward.
It's been a very, very heritage-driven project with the curtain walling. That's had to be maintained in its exact same condition, lines, the colouring of the building, that's had to be maintained. We've got the red and blue ductwork, which is in the plant room. One of my favourite, most unique features is probably the roof lights and the staircase and that whole swathe of light that comes into the building.
This elevation particularly, I think, gives a nice view of the Calderdale Valley here.
But the reverse of that is it shows how impactful the building is on the landscape.
It is extraordinary to plant this here. I mean, what an amazing endeavour.
Sustainability is really at the heart of this project.
There's lots of new technology involved for energy reduction and efficiency.
Utilising our existing ground source heat pump to really make an energy efficient building that's suitable for the future.
The building envelope, the new roof and the new curtain walling add up to 3 times the thermal performance. This is where we'll be putting the biodiverse roof in.
There was 6,615 square metres of curtain walling and glass. 100% of the glass has been recycled into bottles. The aluminium that was taken off the building has been recycled back into the industry.
These mullions, floor to ceiling, running the whole length of the building, it's actually visually stunning.
We've got some clever systems going in as well with the lighting, because we actually got daylight harvesting, whereas the light comes through the windows.
Yes.
The lights use less energy and dim as they need to. So
automatically.
That's right. I've never worked on a project like this before. It has been an absolute labour of love, but an honour to work on as well. Something in my career that I'll never forget and I'll always cherish.
Well, you know, this project, I think from the outside you get a sense for its scale, but it's only in walking the job that you really get a sense for what amazing work and collaboration has to go into delivering it. And this Trinity building is a great example of putting values into practice. I think it's something of which we are, and I think should be and will be, immensely proud.